Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to explain how to create a crew logo in Blox Fruits. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we're heading into the steps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe and turn on the notifications. It's very simple and easy. All you have to do is to go to Roblox home, click on create, then creations. You will find here experiences. And now we have two options. You can make the logo the same picture you have to your profile, or use another photo from the marketplace. If you want to put the same picture you have, you should go to development items, then choose decals, upload asset. Then here you can upload your photo. So I'm gonna click on upload, choose the photo that you want, then name it and click on upload. You just have to make sure that the photo has these formats and its maximum size is 20 megabytes. Now, if you want to upload a photo from Marketplace, you should go here to Marketplace, click on images, and here you can search for the thing you want. I'm gonna search for Batman. I will choose this one. Click on it, then click on get decal. And now I have to get the link of this decal. To do that, go back to Roblox home, click on inventory, then go down to decals, and here you can find the image you choose from Marketplace. Click on it, then copy this link, then get back to Blox Fruits and tap on this icon, then paste the new logo link by pressing Ctrl+V. And here's my new logo. And that's all. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you in another video.